How to start a streak on a Snapchat. To start a streak on Snapchat, first thing first, you have to check either your app is up to date or not. For that, go to Play Store or the App Store depending on upon your device, and on the search bar you need to search Snapchat. So as you can see that there is the update button, so we need to tap on that update button and update our app. Once the app is up to date, go to Snapchat, and then note that to start a streak on Snapchat, you require a photo or video. So let's take a snap from here. So once you have taken a snap, photo or video, at the right side you can see different element which you can add in order to start a streak to this snap photo. Let's tap on the text icon at the top right corner or the T icon, and usually we can write here streak and start a streak. Then after that you can also add a pencil icon at the top right and write here as with the help of the pencil icon. And once you have done that, you can also add different kinds of emoji. Then after that you can tap on send to button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can easily send it to your friends, and also you can add to your story as well. After that, tap on the aeroplane icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and the message has already been sent. So while starting a streak and to maintain a streak, you have to exchange the snaps from both sides daily, or after 2 or 3 days of regular sharing of a snap from the both side, the streaks will be maintained on Snapchat. So this is how we can easily start a streak on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.